March 27, 1964, the Prince William Sound region of Alaska experienced the second most powerful earthquake ever recorded, at magnitude 9.2. The earthquake lasted 4.5 minutes and was felt as far away as Seattle, where the Space Needle swayed visibly. The shaking triggered numerous landslides and tsunamis, wreaking havoc on the region, causing $2.3 billion in property damages. 131 lives were lost. The rupture occurred roughly 75 miles east of Anchorage. The quake was caused by the movement of continental plates. The Prince William Sound region of Alaska lies just north of the Aleutian Fault, where the Pacific Plate collides with the North American Plate. It is one of the planet's most seismically active regions. As the two plates push together, tension builds. The North American Plate is forced backward and shortened, causing its land to be uplifted. When the force of the two converging plates overcame friction, a rupture occurred. The Pacific Plate slid under the North American Plate, and as it did, the edge of the North American Plate snapped seaward. This uplifted the floor of the sea, forming a tsunami. As the plate expanded towards the sea, the coastal areas were uplifted, and the inland areas subsided. A 580-mile section of the fault plane was ruptured. Over 100,000 square miles were affected by vertical deformation. Some areas rose by as much as 38 feet. Others sank by as much as 8 feet, causing sudden flooding. Today, it is still possible to see ghost forests around the Prince William Sound region. The trees were killed by sudden submersion in seawater. The earthquake triggered landslides throughout the region surrounding Prince William Sound. Much of Anchorage is built upon ancient clay glacial deposits, which magnify the shaking of the earth and easily succumb to liquefaction. Landslides and ground subsidence devastated the city, destroying over 30 blocks of homes and commercial buildings, as well as the local school, roads, and railways. Water, sewage, and electrical systems suffered damages as well. And Anchorage was not alone. Landslide damages occurred in nearly every town of the region. The earthquake also triggered approximately 20 landslide tsunamis, in addition to the tsunami caused directly by the rupture. These were by far the most deadly consequence of the earthquake, causing 70% of the fatalities. One 124 people died in Alaska, California, and Oregon. For the people of Prince William Sound, the tsunamis left little time for evacuation. In the coastal village of Chenega, a 65-foot wave arrived only 4 minutes after the main shock, killing 23 people. The town of Valdez was hit by a 170-foot wave, which destroyed the local harbor and waterfront. Although it is unlikely that another earthquake of this magnitude will occur along the Aleutian subduction zone for hundreds of years, large earthquakes are still fairly common to the region. These ruptures, though weaker, still have the potential to trigger landslides and tsunamis. For Prince William Sound and much of coastal Alaska, tsunamis and earthquakes still pose an enormous threat today.